Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you could find something that helps you reverse age process, would you get it? I totally would. And that's what I found right here with this serum by Rile. I love this one. This is the vitamin C. And I am in love with it. I've been using it now for like a month. There's so much to say about this product. I love the fact that this is 15% vitamin C, which means it's a very high concentration for your skin. Whenever you're going to put something on your skin, you want to make sure that's high quality. You're definitely going to love this serum. You're not going to want to let go of it. You can use it in the morning and at night, all day long. With that being said, this serum by Rile has so many benefits. I have seen them. I love it. I'm not going to leave this product. That's one of the keepers that I'm going to be using for my skincare routine. And that is my point of view.